Assalamualaikum. Konnichiwa. Watashi wa Mursyid desu.
Konnichiwa, watashi wa SHARIFI desu.
In this video, we will love to share with you guys our ways in making ramen.
We named this recipe Spicy Ramen Chicken Crepe.
So, before we start, let me tell you the ingredients needed for this recipe. 2 cups of hot chicken samyang, 2 eggs, some chicken meat, curry powder, cheese, black pepper, chili sauce, soy sauce, oyster sauce, some chilies, onions, lemon juice, cooking oil, mayonnaise, salt, sugar, and spring onion.
So let's get started. Step 1. Boil the instant ramen until soft texture, and then toss the ramen and put it in a bowl. At this time, you can boil the chicken by putting salt and pepper.
Step 2. Crack 2 eggs and mix with the boiled ramen. Add some curry powder, black pepper, and salt into the mixture. Put some cooking oil, then pan fry it until well done. Do 3 times for 3 layers.
Step 3. In another bowl, put some shredded chicken, some chili sauce, mayonnaise, soy sauce, oyster sauce, black pepper, salt and sugar, ramen seasoning, lemon juice, onions, chilies, and spring onions. Mix it well.
Step 4. Lay down the pan-fried ramen for the first layer. Then, spread the chicken sauce mixture on it and cover with the cheese layers. Lay down another pan-fried ramen on it for the second layer. Repeat the same process, and lastly, cover the top with the rest pan-fried ramen. Spread some chili sauce on top. Garnish with the condiments provided. Cut into slices and ready to be served.
Ooh, let's taste. Itadakimasu. Umai. Oishii desu ne. There are various ways on how you can eat ramen. Some people eat with soup or mix it with sauce, but this is how we do it.
So, if you want to eat ramen, you should try this recipe. It is highly recommended. That's all from us. Don't forget to like this video and arigatou gozaimasu.